Ever spent hours wrestling with receipts and bank statements, desperately wishing you had your own personal accounting wizard? Well, fear not, fellow freelancer, entrepreneur, or small business owner. There is a way to outsource the financial headache and free yourself up to focus on what you do best. The answer? Zoho Books, a user-friendly accounting software that can streamline your finances and make tax season a breeze. But what if your financial woes are a bit more complex? Or you simply crave the expertise of a seasoned accountant? No problem. Zoho Books allows you to grant secure access to your financial data, bringing your very own accounting wizard into the fold. Intrigued? Then buckle up, because in this video, we'll delve into the world of Zoho Books user roles and permissions, guiding you step by step through the process of granting your accountant access and peace of mind. Now, before we dive in, a quick heads up for those of you subscribed to Zoho One. There might be a slight detour on our permission granting adventure. If you're part of the Zoho One fam, you'll need to contact Zoho One support to enable the accountant license for your organization. Don't worry, it's a simple process. Just a quick email and you'll be good to go. Alright, with that technicality out of the way, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the settings section in Zoho Books. It's that handy little gear icon lurking in the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, a menu will unfold, revealing a treasure trove of options. But today, we're on a mission to find users and roles. Now, this users and roles section is where the magic happens. It's your control center for managing who has access to your Zoho Books data and what they can do with it. Here, you'll find a list of existing user roles, each with its own set of permissions. Zoho Books actually offers a predefined role specifically designed for accountants. How convenient is that? This role grants your accountant access to all the essential functionalities they'll need to work their magic, from viewing reports to managing accounts. But if you're feeling a bit more control freakish, hey, no judgment. You can also create a custom role and tailor the permissions to your exact requirements. To create a custom role, simply click the plus symbol. You know, the universal sign for add something awesome. A new window will pop up, allowing you to name your new role, something catchy like Financial Forensics Specialist perhaps, and configure the specific permissions you want to grant. Here's where it gets interesting. Zoho Books offers a comprehensive list of permissions, categorized neatly into sections like sales, purchases, banking, and reports. For your accountant, you'll likely want to grant permissions in areas like accounts, reconciliation, and of course, reports. Just remember, with great access comes great responsibility, so choose wisely. Once you've selected the appropriate permissions, hit that glorious Save button and your custom role is ready to rock. Now, it's time to invite your accountant to the party. Head back to the Users tab and click the ever so inviting Invite Accountant button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter your accountant's email address and select the role you want to assign them, predefined accountant, or your meticulously crafted custom role. Once you've filled in the blanks, hit Send, and voila! An invitation will be sent to your accountant, granting them access to your Zoho Books data. And that, my friends, is how you grant your accountant access to Zoho Books. Now sit back, relax, and let your financial guru take the reins. Remember, a good accountant is worth their weight in gold, or at least a hefty tax deduction. So there you have it. With the power of Zoho Books user roles and permissions, you can empower your accountant and reclaim your precious time. Now you can focus on building your business empire, conquering that next big project, or simply enjoying a guilt-free Netflix binge without the nagging voice of your finances in the back of your mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy accounting or lack thereof.